Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the Packer Scrapper. It's a Sunday afternoon. We went and picked up a refrigerator, freezer, a microwave, a cast iron stove, and a basketball hoop. And now we're going to run our normal Monday run and see what kind of fun stuff. We got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I won't be able to get out and about like I normally do. So we're gonna make a pre-run today, and we'll start off with a dryer. A Samsung dryer. So how'd everybody's weekend go, huh? We had a decent weekend. I gotta get a Come on, baby. We gotta get a full weekend because next week we're off. We're heading to Dallas to go watch Mama walk across the stage. I'm excited. I've been to Dallas before, but she hasn't, so it's gonna be a new experience for her. Hey, come along for the ride. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Shooting for that 2,000 mark. I love it. And if you're new to the channel, tell me where you're from. What city, what state, or what city and country. And I'll put you on the map. And if you have time, send me a postcard. I'll put the address up. Alright, that's enough of me rambling. Let's go find some scrap. Moving on. Looks like we got us a little table. Alright, there's like 12 little sections in here. I gotta count them up one day. That's the first one we're done with. Moving on. Yeah, I see a printer. Let's see if we got the ceiling fan. That's what I want. Ooh, I see the pads. Yep. Sweet. And what else we got in here? Motor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we'll take the aluminum part. And we'll take the wires. And we'll leave you the box. All the wires I've been saving, that's going to be for a trip. I got a bunch of brass at home too. Alright, moving on. I was looking at the palm tree and almost missed the umbrella. Oh. Question, is she or is she not? Well, we've been down to find out. Nope, she's metal. Metal through and through. Alright. Moving on. Keep ripping this darn thing off. Looks like we got a little piece of metal here.
Take what you want.
How you doing today? I'll take all the metal. Ugh. Man, that's a solid piece.
Sprayer actually works.
Which does? The sprayer?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can take whatever you want there.
You just need the top part for the card, huh?
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Actually, probably won't take the sprayer. And that maybe it's for the sprayer. Alright, moving on. We just had to get closer to the curb. That was it. Come on, baby. What is it with washers? Gots to be so heavy. Whew, that was a lot of work. Alright, guy just yelled at me to come back. He's got more metal. Let's go see what he's got. Moving on. Alright, I guess I didn't turn it on. Alright, well, he just gave me a couple of aluminum pans he used for hog hunting and stuff. He cleaned his own meat. So I put them inside. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody that uses them. Moving on. Well, I see this, which has got to be aluminum. And then I see our ceiling fan. I believe that's number 2 for the day. Ugh. What's going on here? Decided I'm gonna take the wheels off that one and put them on mine. Moving on. Quick couple bed rails. Part of bed rails. One piece of bed rail. Moving on. Ceiling fan number 3. Ceiling fan kind of day. Not bad for a Sunday afternoon haul. Moving on. I'll definitely take the chair. Oh, she's aluminum for sure. Lightweight. moving on. One little piece of metal. We'll take her. Pennies. Keep picking up the pennies. They make dollars. Moving on. All right. Hey, you bet. I'll even take the little doggy thing there. All right, moving on. Nice heavy chair. We'll enjoy the rest of the weekend, what we got left. You too, thank you. Moving on. I'm sitting at 1970.
Well, if you said anything above 100, I was about to say, wow. I mean, imagine 100 people just sitting and watching you every day.
I got them, it's crazy. I started in January and I've got people from all over the world. I have them text me where they're from and I got a map, but it's just
so
gone.
Do you like rebuild this stuff, play with it, or you sell it?
The washers and dryers I take to a guy that rebuilds them. Okay. Most of the metal goes to recycling, and then if I find good stuff, I try to get it to where people can use it.
We have a bunch of junk. I mean, we can show you some stuff.
All right. Let's see. Move you there. Move you. Let me come back and I'll bring you back when I get reorganized. What's that? Oh, I'd appreciate that. How you doing today?
How are you?
So far so good for a Sunday. Let's see. Well, that's a gas one. Yeah, put it to the back. Yep. Yes, sir. Nope, I'm gonna stab you. Well, that didn't want to stay, so we'll do it on the side.
That's what I was going with, but I was like, you're the expert.
Nope, 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 no expert here. Learn every day, you know.
Exactly. I mean, I wouldn't be telling you this.
All right, watch your toes.
You realize that though? Some people are 35 and they're still kids, and some people are 25 and they're adults.
Yep. I'm 61 and still a kid.
You're young, man.
I appreciate that.
Of course.
Up and in.
You want to set it up?
Yeah, if I can. Just watch your toes. What are we hitting on there? There we go. And then, yeah, if we can come. Let me get this out of the way so I can get the other washer in there. Put that over in there. Set up the computer. Now, yeah, I can get the other one in. Yeah, be careful. It'll get you. You got the crew, man.
Oh, yep, the annoying kids.
Thought about changing your name? Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Oh, no. You know, when I was a kid, I always wanted to get married, have kids.
Yep.
You know, that kind of scares me, but I also don't want to do it too late.
No. He's a YouTuber. He's one of those guys.
Imagine you have 1 mil.
I just seen a guy hit 1 million. No, it was 500,000. Mike the Scavenger.
Mike the Scavenger?
Yeah, he does dumpster diving and stuff like that.
Okay.
$500,000.
People enjoy stuff.
Well, it's fun. You just never know what I like this because you never know what you're gonna find.
And you also make money out of it.
Yeah, that too.
How much do you make in a week?
It depends on the day, bud. What I shoot for is $100 a day. If I make more than that, then I'm doing good.
Times 100, that's...
Times 100.
He's trying to do the math for a year.
Ah.
All right, what's up? Tell us the math then.
$100 a day. Let's make it easy. It's only 5 days a week because I don't do it 7.
Okay.
And how many weeks are in the year?
4.
52 times 5.
52 times 5. 200.
Yep. You got it.
Brother lifties.
260.
260,000.
No, 260. Then time it'd be.
Did you with the hard way?
Yeah.
55 times 100. Just add 2 zeros to 365.
There you go.
There's a light thing on there. Like I don't know. We thought it was junk. We don't know if it's worth anything.
I'll take this. What do you got?
This right here.
Is that metal?
No, it's wood.
Oh, nah. I
You
don't.
need it?
I won't take that. I'll just take the metal parts. Yeah.
That's about it.
Well, I appreciate it, man. I really appreciate the help.
Oh, I don't know.
Yep, I'll take that. See you later, bud. All right, guys, have a great day. All right, that was a good pickup. Moving on. Now that's just too cute. Radio flyer. That's got to go up front. We're saving that. Moving on. And you empty up Stony Brook here. Ugh. They were tricky. Thought they were wood. But they are straight up metal. I think this is a... Yep. Take that metal piece too. Moving on.
That's all.
I got you. I got you. I figured.
Can here?
Yes, sir.
It's just dirty.
Let's see here.
This is one of those pull carts. Like this?
Yep.
I think there was something, I don't know. My wife said something was broken about somebody. What do you do? Fix the shit?
Sometimes. All right, just about done here. Just about full too. But I think I seen a cord hanging out here. I did. Nope. Just the cord. That's good. All right. We're just about done here. Go around the corner and then we'll do a tie down. Moving on. All right. Grab the chair. Now we'll do a couple tie downs real quick. Moving. You ever have one of them days when you just say, enough? Nope, me either. Well, we're not going far. Looks like we got a chair and a table, maybe. Still gotta go pick up a water heater. Oh, nice. We like it when you fold. Alright, moving on. Might as well get some more. That's all we'll take for this one. Moving on. Alright guys, so we're finished running. I got 4 machines I'm going to take to Mark, see what he wants. And then we got to go pick up the water heater and the sink. And then we're calling it a day. So I'll come back once we unload whatever Mark wants. Moving on. Oh, good morning, it's Monday morning. We've already dropped off what we picked up yesterday. And been to the doctor. So now we're gonna start the day off with a fridge. Good way to start. Clean one too. Best thing. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. So we'll see if we can fill that up today. And Reba, is it Reba down in Australia? I ever tell you how much I like watching Bluey? That's some good stuff there, huh? Alright, moving on. Just grab this microwave real quick. Get out of these people's way. Moving on. Alright, fridge number 2. Alright. Yep, Daryl takes care of me.
Yeah, everything will come in. You need a hand truck?
No, it's on wheels usually.
No, that wheel that doesn't work too good.
Oh, the wheel don't work?
Yeah, because you want to do it.
I was gonna say, it's always on wheels.
All right.
I might need that just a little extra boost. It depends how much of my Wheaties I ate this morning.
Oh.
Once I get it up, well, that ain't bad at all. Watch yourself because it's leaking there.
You're going to leave it like that? Oh.
It'll fit.
Oh my gosh.
Just like that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Of course. Have a wonderful day. All right. Yeah. I try to come in every Monday. If you ever got a pile you want, just text me the address. I'll come pick it up. Thank you. Moving on. Well, since we're getting out here late, looks like we're just gonna find the big stuff today. I don't think we're gonna find many picking piles. What do you got? Oh, metal. Even that. I haven't found a brass one in a while. All right. Might be why you're throwing it away. Let's cut you off. One less thing to do at the yard. Moving on. All right, looks like we got the old, the net again, but we'll take that. Let's see if we can throw a net in there. Come on. Jumping over. There. Haven't quite got limbered up this morning. You three can go back here. Go. Moving on. Are you kidding me? I shut it off instead of turning it on? What am I doing? I just picked up another freezer. Alright, so we're gonna move on around here, see what we can find. Moving on. Alright, we got what's left of a bike. Graphite Roadmaster. Nope, you are not aluminum. I don't know if there's any parts you could use off of that. But we might have to check it out with him. All right, moving on. Lucky, lucky. Another exercise bike. Ugh. That one wasn't near as heavy. Moving on. Got another little microwave. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on out of there. Alright. Moving on. Got the old bed frame. Yep. Okay, not quite. So we'll go on the top. Don't like how that sits. There we go. That's better. All right. Let's go get some more. Moving on. We're just gonna call this the fridge and microwave day. Fridge and microwave day. And this is a big one. There we go. Moving on. We'll just take this added little bonus. Okay, thought that was opposite. Thought these would be aluminum, but no. But this is even better. Moving on. Never guess what it is. Another microwave. What is this, number 4? Alright, where are you gonna go? Will you sit in there? I think you're too big. So I'm gonna have to go and retie. Shoot. I don't think that's gonna work. Alright, we'll keep an eye on it. Moving on. 10,480 is our total today. Let's go dump. I was sitting there talking to Junkman 5000 here, and I forgot to turn on my camera. But we didn't get too much unloaded. Alright. Can we get you up? Oh yeah. Catching on. Come on now. still go see. Oh. You got a what?
Scrapper to bring me all of his washers and dryers.
How'd you do that? All right, have a great day, bud. Hey. This gotta stay. Look at him push all that stuff we bring to him. That brand new in the box, we're keeping that. There's the grill. It's all fake brass. Come on. Come on, baby. Get over the teetering edge. There you go. Whew. Inside. Alright, just unloaded. Heading out to Janet's, so we're going to stop by the post office. See if we got anything in there. Excuse me. Alright. 1522. Oh. Yes. All right, so today we got 3. CEC Recycling, Norfolk, England. Now we got one from Sandy Bruder, Gladstone, Happy Rock, Gladstone. Alright, I gotta make sure I do a better job of showing these today. So, take this off and look. Happy Rock Gladstone MB. 36 feet high and weighs 3,000 pounds. Happy Rock. That's cool. That's from Sandy. Thanks, Sandy. And then from CC Recycling, Norfolk, England. Give me a second. Whoop. Now let me open that up. I'll set you down here for a minute. Big old fingers to work. That is cool. Pitkin Pictorial Postcards. We live in Norfolk, England. We also do recycling of metal and paper. Keep up the good work. Really enjoy a coffee and chilling out after a hard day watching y'all boys. Can't believe you're still scrapping fridges. We haven't been able to here for years. Carol and Chris. CNC. Appreciate it, guys. And last but not least, I don't know why they put those. Lenny Richardson. Vernal, Utah. What? What did you send me here? Utah Field House of Natural Museum, Vernal, Utah. What do you got here? Dinosaur hunting. Oh, where did you go? That's cool. Hello from the heart of dinosaur lands. Enjoy watching your videos. I'm sending you a little history. Please feel free to share with Nacho and Junkman and Jeff. We watch you all. That is awesome. Thanks, guys. Dinosaur hunting license. I love it. I'm going to give one to each of the boys. That is so cool. Lanny, really appreciate that. All right. I'll get them up on the wall. Thanks, guys. I'm going to go see Janet and pass on some of the stuff to her. Moving on. Alright, 3:30 in the afternoon. Just got a call from a lady that I picked up a fridge from a week ago. She's got a realtor that's getting ready to sell a place. Got a bunch of junk in the yard, so I got to go see what's there that I can pick up. Plus, while I was doing my drive-thrus this afternoon, the lady was getting a delivery and said come back in an hour or two. She'll have a fridge and I believe a stove for me. So, to the Monday that never ends. We love it. Moving on. Alright, we'll start the next load with the water heater. We'll pick that up for him too. Let's see. That's my shoe there. Should keep it from rolling around. Moving on. Tell you, these basketball hoops. Let's see. Oh, you like that? I don't think I'm gonna take the base. It's probably filled. It's empty. We'll take it. Help them get rid of it. All right, moving on. I'll take the satellite dish. Moving on. Oh, we got the remnants of a shed. A gazebo. All right, moving on. Got a mini junk removal here. Come on, kid. Oh, I know it's cast. Yep. Alright, so we're back home. Including Sunday and Monday's run, I didn't cut between them, so we're just going to make one long video. We ended up with 3,259 pounds between the 2 days for $290. I think it'd been a little bit more, but 10 went down, 650, 100 at the local yard. So it is what it is. We're still good. We're battling. Made a couple new maybe possibilities today, so lead some big things this next couple weeks. We're gonna work hard this week, see if we can get 10,000 pounds in, and then I am off the next week, 15th through the 20th. I'll be in Dallas with the wife, watching her walk across the stage. So if you're new to the channel, tell me where you're from, city, state, or city and country. Put you up on the map, and if you haven't already, send me a postcard. I got to get them up there. I've been running out of hours, I tell you. I'll get them done. I appreciate you guys sending them. It's been awesome to get them in. All right, and my little Aussie friend down there, Riva, I believe it is. Thanks for watching. Moving on.